All right, so this is Kellen with Electric Wheelchairs USA, and we're at MedTrade 2024. This is Feather Mobility's newest product. This is called the Feather Scooter. It weighs 27 pounds. It can support up to 250 pounds of weight. And a really cool thing about this scooter is, we'll show you a couple things. Here's the speed control, which is unique. So you can see that's your speed control. Just press that button, you can see the bar will light up when it's at that full speed, and that locks it into place. Let me show you how to fold it. So it's this is what's really nice about this. So you fold the tiller down, the seat folds down like this. And then this collapses like this. And this is how compact it gets. So when it's folded, you can actually put this in the overhead compartment if you're traveling on an airline, which is really cool. You just have to remove the battery. But this is really unique. And it's the lightest scooter on the market today. So Feather scooter. See if I can unfold this. Oh, there we go. Fold it up. Really cool. And here's a little ride along. So I am pretty tall. I'm 6'4", about 230, 235. And the scooter handles just fine. Handles my weight just fine. It's a little tight for me being so tall, but it has this extended foot platform right here for taller riders. So, really well thought out, especially for being so lightweight. Creating a lightweight folding mobility scooter that is, something when you're trying to achieve the lightest weight possible in the industry. That's a pretty challenging task, and I know Feather's done a great job of this, so this is going to sell really well.
If you have any questions, just give us a call at 800-682-9444 or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.